third grade. I hope you are doing great. Today I am making your video for Friday, May 8th. And for tomorrow, your theme or your Spirit Day idea is Fired Up Friday. So what that means is you are wearing anything and everything that you have that is Kaimaloa. So you are representing our school. Alrighty, so let's go over our schedule. So for skills for reading, today you will send me your progression of how many words per minute you got on Monday through today. You do not need to send me a video of you reading. I just want to see the amount of words. Then for math, you are working on your multiplication and division practice. For iReady, if you still have not finished those 2 lessons, you are passing those 2 lessons. Remember, you only have to do 2 for the week. Or your other online option is to read The Kissing Hand. You can click here to read it, or you can listen to me do the read aloud. And then your reader's response question is, did you like this story? Explain why or why not. I personally love this story because my mom used to read it to me when I was young. So that is your online for reading. Your offline for reading is you are just saying whether or not you like the story that you are reading on your own at home. Remember, 5 or more sentences. Every sentence starts with a capital and ends with punctuation, okay? Your acrostic poems, you have 2 examples over here. Remember, you are writing complete sentences to describe the first letter of mom's name. This is a great option for what you can give mom for Mother's Day. Or you are writing your narrative piece. For your narrative piece, you are writing a funny story about mom, grandma, auntie, and you're reading it for them for Mother's Day. Okay, then for math, you are passing your 2 iReady lessons. If you have already done that, which is great, you're going to click and go to your iExcel. Oh, I got to get signed in. Alrighty, so today we are doing FF12. Okay, so for this one is going to be a little bit more challenging, okay? Learn with an example. You have this as a tool right here, okay? So if this is 12, if my area is 12 and my width is 3, I need to figure out what my length is. So a strategy that you can do is you can divide. So 12 divided by 3, or how many times does 3 go into 12? So I'm going to skip count by 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay? Then you are going to continue through this. If you get to this and you're like, Miss Garton, this is way too hard, I don't get it, I don't understand, you can scroll down to the bottom and click the Not Feeling Ready Yet, and you can click on one of these to help you find the area. It's just a little bit simpler of a lesson if it shows to be too challenging for you. Okay, so that is your iExcel. Then, sorry, I have to click back. Alrighty, so that was your iExcel. Your word problem of the day, Ms. Bagawi-san, is getting her cheerleaders ready for the school assembly. For the assembly, the cheerleaders are going to hold up a giant banner to show their school spirit. The length of the poster is 14 feet long. If the total perimeter is 34 feet, what is the width? Okay, so this right here is very, very similar to what you were just doing, okay? But this time you're not going to divide. All right, so we're talking perimeter, we're talking the outside of the shape. So the outside of the banner that they're holding, that has to equal 34. And if I know the length is 14, what's this length, okay? I'm not gonna write it because I want you guys to solve it. So if I know this is 14, what's this, okay? And then I know that total, it has to be 34, okay? So if I take this number and this number, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm finding perimeter. And then whatever that number is left, I have to take that, and I have 2 over here. Now that should be the same number. So I'm going to find the difference. Let's see if you know the difference. I'm going to find the difference between this and this. So I'm going to, what is this one going to be? I'll just write it. So if that's 14, this is 14. Okay. Well, then I need to figure out the difference between these two because I need to see what amount is left. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. We'll go over it though tomorrow in our class meeting. And then your last thing is your inheritance. You are drawing your picture of mom. So third grade, that is it for today. I'm going to see you in about, 17 minutes. I will get to see you for our class meeting today for our reading. So third grade, I will see you later. Happy almost Friday. Happy Aloha FriYAY. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.